I said maybe we can, and then you agreed. It's not my fault. Tell them what's the other struggle that we have right now after we have these two kids.
Which one?
You tell them what do you think it is?
We have a lot of struggles. One of them is she doesn't listen when I'm talking. That's my biggest.
Hi guys, I'm awake. I'm awake, baby. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Happy Friday. Punta kami ngayon sa labas. Punta lang kami sa Taco Bell. Doon kami magla-lunch. Medyo matagal-tagal na rin bago kami nakapunta ulit sa fast food. Ayan ang ating OOTD ng ating baby Zelda. Ito naman si Zira. Show them your OOTD. Wow! Cutie pie Zira. Itong ano niya, winter jacket niya, bigay lang sa kanya ng kanyang ate Rosie. Ang ganda nung tela niya. Very comfy. Tas makapal. Si Zelda. Tingnan niyo si Zelda, oh. Ano na siya? Parang hindi na siya kasya dito sa kanyang car seat. Mukhang gagamitin na namin yung isa. Ang bilis kasi lumaki nito ni baby Zelda eh. Sa Sunday, 11th, na siya, 6 months old. So, ayun na nga guys, pupunta kami ng Taco Bell. Tapos, after noon, pupunta si Mr. Magka-car wash siya. Kasi ang tagal na rin bago namin na-car wash itong minivan. So, yun lang naman ang aming gagawin for today. Umuwi kahapon si Mr. mga late lunch na. Buti na lang is naging maayos ang kanyang biyahe.
Oh, cutie baby.
That's Rosie's. Rosie gave it to her. Ang dami bigay na na damit nung kapatid nung mga anak nung kapatid ni Mr. Binigyan nga din ako ni nung si Zelda. Binigyan din ako nung pamangkin ni Mr. ni Rosie. Ano lang yun? Love, how old is Rosie? 8? 9 years old. Meron siyang mga shoes na hindi na kasya sa kanya. So, binigay sa akin. Ang laki kasi ng paa niya, size 7. Tapos, ayun, ang gaganda pa, mga ano bang brand na Nike, at saka, ano ba yung isa? Hindi ko na matandaan. Kaya lang medyo siya talaga yung design, parang pang bata. Pero tanggalin ko na lang yung mga bling-bling niya. Next time, pakita ko sa inyo. Kasi ang paa ko, size 5, 5.5 or 6. Yung laki. Pero kasya naman siya. Pwede naman. Hindi naman siya ganun kalaki tingnan sa akin. Kasi malalaki yung lahi talaga nila. Lahi nila Mr. dun sa mga babae na side. Mas matangkad sa kanya yung nanay niya at saka yung kapatid niyang babae. So ito pala yung isang shoes na bigay sa akin nung pamangkin ni Richie. Ayan. Tingnan niyo, may mga bling 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 bling. Diba? Pang bagets na bagets. Ang laki nito. Kasi size 7 nga. Ako nga kasi is 5.5 or 6. Pero isusuot ko siya ngayon dahil hindi naman kami lalabas talaga yung maglalakad-lakad sa labas. More on sasakyan lang. Ayan. Cute, diba? Yung brand niya ay ayan, Kurt Geiger. Hindi ko alam kung anong brand yan. Pero London something. Nagbago na pala isip ko guys, hindi ko na sinuot yung shoes kasi hindi talaga siya pang winter and medyo malamig sa labas. Alam niyo naman, kasagsagan na ng winter dito and dito sa amin sa Connecticut is malamig talaga dito kumpara sa mga ibang states. Although merong ibang mga states na mas malamig naman dito sa Connecticut. Can you say hello guys? Do you like your outfit for today? Ang cute na. Meron din ganitong meron din yata akong damit na ganito pero hindi siya jacket. Pretty jacket? Is that a pretty jacket?
A piece of cake.
Pretty jacket. That's from your Ate Rosie. Did you say thank you to Ate Rosie? Napakabait nung anak na yun ng aking sister-in-law. Mabait yung mga anak niya. Mabait sila sa akin, mabait sila kay Zeta and Zelda, kay Richie. Yung pinalaki sila ng maayos ng kanilang mga magulang. Alam ko nag-aaral yung dalawang yun sa international school dito sa Washington DC. Pero meron silang 3 bahay. 3 yung bahay nila sa Arizona, Washington DC, and South Dakota or North Dakota. Naantay lang namin si Mister. Nilalagyan niya ng hangin yung aming sasakyan. Gulong nung sasakyan. Ayan, papunta na kami ngayon guys sa Taco Bell. Tapos tingnan nyo si Zeta, nag-ano ulit siya, nagsuot ulit siya ng kanyang sunglasses. Zeta, you say hi! Zeta! Siya talaga yung siya talaga yung nag-presenta na gusto niyang isuot yung sunglasses. Naiwan kasi namin dito sa sasakyan. Tapos nakita niya, sabi niya, sunglasses. Tapos gusto niya isuot. Kaso baliktad niya sinuot. Inayos lang ni Mister. Are we gonna go to the gas station?
When we get to where we're going.
Niya may castle.
You're not gonna see it.
Pero hindi niya yata makikita. Sayang. Basta may castle dun, ang laki.
New England Laborers Training Academy.
Makes my eyes pop.
So magpapagas lang kami dito guys sa gas station, syempre. Tapos malapit lang dito yung Taco Bell. Si Zeta nakasuot yung kanyang sunglasses na tutulog, pero gising na. Oh, the baby is awake. The cutie Zeta is awake. Sayang hindi ko na na-capturean or hindi ko na videohan yung castle. Ang ganda niya tapos sobrang laki. Nag-uusap kasi kami ni Mister kasi nga na nawawala kami. Hindi kasi ginagamit ni Mister yung yung kanyang GPS. Ginamit niya lang yung kanyang memory. Pero nagkawala-wala kami. Pero naman, carry lang. Maganda naman yung view habang kami ay nagdadrive. Si Zelda nagising na. Zelda baby! Tsaka si Zeta.
We can get the fuel and wash the car and eat the
Yeah.
Taco Bell.
It's an all-around place. So, ayun yung Taco Bell.
And we
Tapos
can even
dito
go
yung
buy a fish if we wanted to.
fish.
Yeah, there's that pet.
Didn't you buy a fish already? So, dito kami mag-car wash. Look, baby!
I took
that
her
a car
glasses
wash?
off and she just
She put it back.
on.
You know, she thinks she's really cool with her
I mean, she is
eyeglasses
pretty
on.
cool.
I know, right? Si Zelda natulog na naman, oh.
She's probably a lot cooler than I am.
Such a cool Ate Zeta. Woo!
That's how she was when she was born. She came out of your womb like that.
What? Nonchalant.
Very
Too cool to be true. It smells good. Can you smell it?
So,
Eh. Ayoko punta dito sa ganitong car wash. Nahihilo ako. Aren't you getting busy? Ha?
I don't know.
Get busy. Maybe because I have vertigo. Ha? Ang ingay. I'm not sure if there's something like this in the Philippines. Maybe not. Zeta, what's that? sabi ko sa inyo, si Zeta medyo pihikan siya, naging pihikan na siya mula nung naging almost 2.5 years old siya. So ngayon, nahihirapan kami kung ano ba ang bibili sa
just
kanya. Kasi dito sa Taco Bell parang
a chicken quesadilla.
pagkain na gusto niyang kainin. So, tingnan natin kung magbabago ang kanyang isip. Doon kasi sa isang Taco Bell na pinupuntahan
Yeah, can I
namin,
get two
ano siya, combined, may KFC.
Supreme-
So, gusto niya yung chicken doon.
Actually, no,
Or
sorry.
ang chicken kasi siya.
One Supreme
Rice,
Lux Box
chicken,
and
ganyan.
one Discovery
Minsan
Lux
kumakain
Box.
siya ng pork, pero bihira lang. Tapos ayun, nagulat nga ako nung nakaraan kumain siya ng fish. So far, isa yun sa mga struggle namin ni Mister, yung pagpapakain kay Zeta. Kasi nga, bihikan. Kaya most of the time, ako yung nagpapakain sa kanya kahit na kaya na niyang i-feed yung kanyang sarili para makakain siya ng mga bagay na masustansya para sa kanya. Hindi lang puro chicken and rice.
Diablo, please.
Kasi ang ginagawa ko, although lagi talaga may rice dahil alam mo na, Filipino. Doon ko iniipit yung yung mga pagkain. Like yung pork, tinatago ko doon. Kasi pag nanonood siya ng show niya, pagka tinatago ko doon yung food like pork or kung ano-ano pang ibang food na gusto kong ipakain sa kanya, hindi niya napapansin, tapos kumakain lang siya. Ayun, mahirap din talaga pagka nasa toddler age na. Pero talaga nung siya, infant, tapos 1 year old, 2 years old, kinakain niya lahat. Remember, Zeta, wouldn't have any, we don't have any problems feeding Zeta before because she's eating everything. But now, it's a kind of struggle.
She was eating little bites of everything.
No, that's not true. Plus the milk, she opted not to drink milk anymore. Dapat dun kami kakain sa may Mashamoket Park. Kaya lang, kinlose nila yung ibang parts. So, pupunta kami ngayon dito sa Nachog State Forest. It's currently 3:12 PM. So, magdidilim na naman. Parang nangyari na to last time. Sabi ni Mr. nangyari na to last time. Pero ibang Taco Bell nga lang yung pinuntahan namin. So, dito na tayo guys.
Go get stuff.
I said maybe we can and then you agreed. It's not my fault.
You said you wanted it.
No, I didn't force you. Medyo nakakatakot dito daw kasi baka may ice. Kami. Hindi naman pang off-roading itong aming sasakyan. Dati meron dito, love, what is it that the mulberry, is it mulberry?
There, look at that. We're gonna get stuck
Huh?
if we try.
Basta meron dito yung mga pala, blackberries. Is that blackberries the one that we are picking out last time? Huh?
Yeah, but you haven't really seen any real amount of blackberries.
You said that they cut it.
Yeah,
Last
that. Everybody always kills the things. How are we ever supposed to have blackberries? They just keep killing it.
Yeah. Dati meron kaming pinagpipitasan dito na area
This,
ng
we're
mga
gonna park here.
blackberries. Kaso pinutol nila. Why don't we just go to that
No,
same place?
because there's nowhere to park. I mean,
The
we're gonna get stuck down there.
the horse?
Yes,
There are
this is it. This is what we're doing.
gravel and stuff there. We're gonna get stuck here too. So dito lang kami sa gitna ng kagubatan, mga sisis and queens.
Didn't give us very much of the
So kain tayo guys. Ito yung in-order namin ni Mr. Ito yung lagi namin in-order. Ako ayoko talaga itong orderin kasi nga ang dami. Hindi ko siya nauubos. Sabi ni Mr. ito na lang daw. Do you think she's gonna eat that?
You might have mine and I might have yours.
Isn't it the same?
I don't know. You just pick what you want and I'm gonna eat the rest because I know you're not gonna eat the whole thing.
Isn't it the same both?
No,
I think I like
this
what's
one is
that?
the fancy thing and it's got dipping sauce. Maybe you want that.
I don't like that.
It's fancy and it's got dipping sauce.
What fancy?
That's
It's
like
fancy
the
there.
out of all the stuff that's the preferable. I didn't tell him I want cinnamon twist though.
Crispy taco.
Do you like these things? Are you eating them?
Uy, I think Zeta will like this.
Yeah, but it's junk food.
All of this are junk food.
Maybe for dessert she can have it. And we give up trying to feed her everything else.
What is this?
Let me take my shirt off.
So yun, tapos na si Mr. Kumain. So isa pang struggle namin bukod sa pagpapakain kay kay Zeta. Love, let's tell them what's the other struggle that we have right now after we have these 2 kids.
Which one?
You tell them what do you think it is?
We have a lot of struggles. One of them is she doesn't listen when I'm talking. That's my biggest struggle.
Because you talk a lot. You're like a machine gun.
Yeah, but you
That's
listen
so
when it
annoying.
doesn't matter, and then when I have something important to say, you don't listen.
Yeah, because it's annoying to keep listening to you. You just don't go straight to the point. You just no, my mind has a lot of stuff going on, and then you keep talking. It's so annoying.
Whatever, you can do this forever, but you can't listen to me for 2 minutes.
That's not 2 minutes, love. You talk like 10 minutes. That's the shortest. And I was listening to you. You were talking about this, the octopus.
Yeah, but you don't
How
know
they-
what I was saying about that.
I know. I'm listening. You just assume that I'm not listening. And then you were talking about the babies of the octopus that they have to blow water on it.
Yeah, and
They're
then
gonna
you
die.
don't want to know why I'm talking.
I'm
to
already
you.
listening to you, but I know it's kinda stupid to listen to that. It has nothing to
See,
do.
she thinks it's stupid. She doesn't want to listen. How is she gonna know what she doesn't?
It has
listen?
nothing to do. I think it's very
She
irrelevant.
doesn't know. She didn't hear even what I was trying to say. Why I'm talking about octopus.
Yeah, I have to bait Zeta, I have to bait Zelda, and then I have to wait for you to finish what you were.
Whatever.
When in fact you could just go straight to the point.
No, because you would not listen to that.
No, because you just love talking.
I don't love talking, actually.
I love that doesn't show. You love talking. You just pretending that you don't.
I guess I like both.
Anyway, our other struggle for having 2 kids is their names. Remember?
See, is that I would never have guessed that.
Ay,
I
naku,
don't think that's
what
a
you-
struggle. I
That's
just
a
think
struggle.
That's the way it is.
You always have a mistake with their names. We always interchange their
Zelda
names.
is here. I know my Zelda is here. I see you, baby.
She's still eating that. Oh, and by the way, guys, kinakain ni Zeta yung, what is she eating? Quesadilla?
Yes.
Kinain niya. Buti na lang.
If you got a picky toddler and you go to Taco Bell, you can get a chicken cheese quesadilla and she will eat it.
Dati kasi wala talaga siyang kinakain. Kailangan chicken lang. And fries. Right?
Yeah,
Fries.
but they don't have fries at Taco Bell.
Yeah.
The big problem with Taco Bell is you can't find anything that your toddler will eat. But if she'll eat chicken and she'll eat cheese, then she'll eat a chicken cheese quesadilla.
What, Zeta? Hi guys! I'm awake! I'm awake, baby! Pareho sila ng ni Zeta. Jacket, pero yun sa kanya ay onesies. Say hi everyone! I'm awake. I'm alert, alive, awake, enthusiastic. Love, you don't know that song, right?
No.
No. I'm alert, alive, awake, enthusiastic. I'm alert, alive, awake, enthusiastic. Say hi. I'm sure it's good. You say hi. You wave hi. Wave hi. Napakainit naman dito sa loob. Nakapatay na yung yung heater. Kumakain pa si Zeta. Say, hi everyone. Look at my cheeks. I have a rosy cheeks. Hi. Can you wave hi? Hi. Hi. What is that? What is that sound?
Do you want these
Tapos-
things? I think these are garbage.
Try to give it to Zeta. She might like
I
that.
don't want it.
Tapos ito si Zelda kasi medyo nag-uubo-ubo ako. sa gabi, ano, umiiyak siya. Pag naririnig niya akong umubo. Parang si Zeta dati, meron siyang, ano, parang time. Medyo, ano pa siya nun, siguro less than 1 year old or mga 1 year old na. Ano kasi ako, meron akong asthma na. Yung ubo ng ubo, pero walang phlegm. Lalo na pag malamig yung panahon. Ganun yun ang nangyayari pagkagabi. Umiiyak din siya pag naririnig niya ako na umubo. Parehas sila ng kanyang ate. Chu, 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 chu. Oh, what happened to this? Oh, no. Ah! Ah! You wanna hold the camera? Do you wanna vlog? You wanna hold the camera? Wow! Si Zeta. But there's one
Having a good time.
good thing about Zeta Love about when it comes to consuming food and drinks. She doesn't have any problems drinking water. She drinks a lot of water. She really drinks a lot of water, like a lot. Diba, baby? Oh, we're going na. We're going home.